At UCP Business School, we're not just preparing graduates.
We are empowering the innovators, disruptors, and leaders of tomorrow.
Our expert faculty bridges practices and theory, guiding our students through the real-world business challenges every day.
From business analytics to breakthrough ideas, students harness data to drive smarter decisions.
Explore the future with cutting-edge programs in fintech and digital technology.
Where businesses meets technology and strategy meets scale.
Our open-air amphitheater inspired bold thinking.
And fearless conversations.
Entrepreneurship lives here at UCP Takhleeq.
UCP's Incubation Center, where ideas come to life.
Guided by mentorship and market insight.
Students learn beyond the classroom.
Through exclusive industrial tours.
With business guest sessions and business trailblazers. Fuel ideas and friendship at our rooftop cafe.
Because great ventures begin with great conversations.
At UCP, your faculty is your mentors. Your vision become a shared mission.
Step into a business school
that believes in building futures.
UCP Business School, where ambition meets action.